Hello and welcome to random stuff you find in the woods. Like a bunch of really big tires. Even back here amongst the trees and the squirrels, you can find yourself some graffiti. Reminds me of, what's that character from McDonald's? Grimace? It's like a grimace. Or Thanos. Evidence. Check out this tree. Kind of swirls, kind of reminds me of a DNA strand. How it splits there and swirls on itself. That's pretty cool. Old railroad tracks. Okay, I'm not sure why this is out here in the middle of nowhere, but there it is. Nice comfy chair for whomever to relax in. And a bunch of really big rocks. I don't know if you can see how big that is. I can't get over there, but those are some pretty big rocks. Boulders, if you will. More big rocks. I decided to cross the train tracks, and as I crossed, I ran into this. Check this out. Now, I'm no train person, but this looks kind of like a brake pad to me. Maybe not, maybe I'm completely wrong. Comment down below if you know what this is. I am intrigued. It's two pieces here, kind of triangular in that direction. Obviously, something went in here and attached. I don't know. Right here next to the train track. And then over here, there's another one. Just chilling out. So, yeah, let me know if you know what that is. I'll be ding-danged. There's another one. They're everywhere.